Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video you're going to see a product named as Hampen. This is from IKEA, and this is basically a rug. This is a high pile rug. You can put it on the floor or anywhere that you want, and the dimension is around 133 into 195 centimeter. It is completely it is around 4.5, or you can say 5 feet into 6.5 feet almost. The quality is quite good, guys, and if you see, it is in high pile as I mentioned, so you will be able to see the material loosely coupled, and the price is that is around 25 pound, and I purchased it from India and I got it for around 2000 rupees in Indian rupees. So it is around 25 pounds. You can expect the same currency, I mean same type in US as well. So this is a good quality product, guys, from IKEA, and in the price range of almost 25 pound to 30 pound you will definitely get a good quality rug. So if as you are able to see here, it looks pretty good. It comes in two different color, one is in cream color and one in gray color. So as per your convenience, you can definitely opt for anything. I'll put the purchase link in the description section. You can definitely check that and do the purchase. So this is about the review of this particular product. So I am using this product from last 1.5 year almost, and this is quite good, guys, and you can definitely use a roller lint that roller to clean this one. Maybe you the hair or some dirt particles may get accumulated on the rug, but you need to clean it regularly on the roller. I created another video how to clean the mat using rollers. You can definitely check that out as well. And as you see, we don't need to wash it pretty often, but you can do a dry clean if you want. And see this material, it is quite good, guys. It is even thick as you are expecting it. There are two different types of material comes in IKEA. One is thick and other is a thinner one. I opted for the thick one, and it came out to be pretty good, guys. So the purchase link will be on the description section. You can definitely go ahead and purchase it. I hope this video is helpful, guys, and if it is helpful, do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you, guys, and thanks for watching.